Shalom to you. I want to go over the problems we did not finish in class, and some of you requested to see in a video. Okay, so number one is number 5 in the review packet. Find the probability of rolling a six-sided dice. So the total in a dice, we have 6 faces. So our total is going to be faces. So you're looking for the probability that it is dice 3 times. It is dice 3 times, and out of those 3 times, the dice show even all those times. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of those 6 numbers, there are 3 even numbers and 3 odd numbers. So the probability of picking the first is even, and is multiplication, and the times the probability that the second is even times the probability that the third is also even. So the probability that the first is even is 3 out of 6, which is 1/2, times the probability that the second is even is going to be the same thing because there is replacement. You cannot take any face away. You just roll the dice. All the 6 faces are always there. So nothing is taken away. So they're going to be 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. So which is 1, 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. That's that. Next one is 27, finding the midpoint of this line segment. And all we need to do is find the coordinate of the endpoint. So here we have 3, 4. So we have 3, 4. And at this endpoint here, we have 4 for x and -3. So we have 4, -3. So let's label this. We label this x1 and y1. We label this x2 and y2. So we are finding the average. We find the horizontal midpoint and the vertical midpoint. So the horizontal is the x. So we use the x's, and the vertical will be y's. So we are looking for x1 plus. We are finding their average, so we add them. So the average of numbers, you add them up and you divide by how many there are. There are 2 numbers, so we add them up and divide them. And it's going to be ordered pair. The same thing we do, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So x1 is 3 plus x2 is 4 divided by 2. And y1 is 4, y2 is -3. So 4 plus -3 divided by 2. So 3 plus 4 is 7/2. And 4 plus -3 is 1, +1. That's the answer. So it's going to be, that's about that, 3.5 and 1. Okay. Right, the last one, adding or subtracting these numbers. So we have 43 degrees, 15 minutes, 17 seconds. So we are adding 25 degrees, 49 minutes, 18 seconds. So we add up all the, we add up 17 plus 18 is 35. Which is 15 plus 49 is 64. And 43 plus 28 is 25 is 68 degrees. But now look, we need to simplify this. This is okay, but 64 is more than 60. So if it's more than 60, we need to subtract that 60 and add it to here. 60 minutes is 1 degree, so you're going to move that up. So that's 51 seconds, and then we're going to have 4 minutes, and then we're going to have 69 degrees. And that will be our final answer. Then the addition one, 90 degrees. So we're going to, well, we don't have minutes, so we add 0. We don't have seconds, so we put 0 also. But we're going to subtract 39 degrees and no minutes and 17 seconds. So now we're going to borrow because we don't have from 0, so we're going to borrow all the way from degree. That would be 89 degree left there. We call it 60 minutes. That one degree is going to be 60 minutes. So yet we cross that 60 out. We have 50, 59 left. And we call that one we borrowed there 60. So 60 minus 17 then is going to be 43. And then we have 59 minus 0 is 59. And 89 minus 39 is 50 degrees. And that will be our answer.